Are you thinking about diving into crypto in 2025? Choosing the right exchange could make or break your crypto experience. But with so many options, how do you decide? Stick around as we reveal the best crypto exchanges for 2025, what to look for when choosing one, and how to get prepared before signing up. Here are the top 5 crypto exchanges for 2025. Binance, the industry heavyweight. Binance is unbeatable when it comes to trading volume, low fees, and an unmatched selection of coins. Their advanced tools and earning programs make it a favorite for everyone, from beginners to experienced. Coinbase, a go-to for first-time users. Its clean, intuitive interface and top-notch security make it the perfect starting point. In 2025, Coinbase continues to innovate with staking, learning rewards, and even NFT trading. Kraken, renowned for its strong security and reliability. Kraken is a standout exchange for serious crypto investors. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced features while maintaining an intuitive interface that's also welcoming for beginners. Bybit, gaining popularity for its zero-fee spot trading and powerful derivatives market. Bybit is perfect for traders who prioritize low costs and flexibility. OKX, the all-in-one platform. OKX offers traditional crypto trading plus access to DeFi tools, staking, and even Web3 wallets. It's a great choice if you want to explore the broader crypto ecosystem. Choosing the right exchange is critical. Here are some key factors to consider when choosing a crypto exchange. Security. Look for platforms with strong encryption and a solid track record. Fees. High fees can drain profits, so compare carefully. Ease of use. Beginners should prioritize simple, user-friendly platforms such as Coinbase. Trading features. Advanced traders might prefer exchanges like Binance or Kraken for their extensive tools, diverse asset offerings, and robust platforms designed to handle high-volume trading. Asset support. Ensure the exchange supports the coins and tokens that you're interested in. Preparation before signing up to a crypto exchange. Set up a secure wallet. While exchanges provide wallets, having your own ensures extra security for your digital assets. Know your documents. Exchanges often require KYC or Know Your Customer verification. Have your ID and proof of address ready. Understand fees. Be clear on deposit, withdrawal, and trading fees. Start small. If you're new, begin with smaller deposit amounts and transactions to get comfortable. Now you're equipped to choose the perfect exchange and hit the ground running in 2025. Remember, every exchange has its strengths, so pick one that matches your investment goals. If this video was helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe to join the Crypto King community, and let's keep building your crypto foundation. See you in the next one.